fucking rap battle. Gonna get home.
What do you mean?
I can't see without my glasses.
Really?
My glasses.
Did they fall off out the window?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Fuck.
You really are that blind?
Yeah. I can't see. Fuck. Fucking night is just blown.
Hey, let me turn my cameras back on.
Huh?
So I just turned my cameras back on because I didn't get that running shot.
Jesus fucking Christ.
You should have just took them off.
I can't see without them on. I mean, without them off.
You need to get contacts.
I can't. They irritate my eyes too bad.
Please stand by for further details. We return you now to your regularly scheduled program.
Fucking, I'm getting license plates. Yo, everyone said that shit. Wait, is that what you call them, Beltway Billies or something?
ScarecrowBeats.com.
What the fuck? This vlog comes out really bad. FYI, I lost my eyeglasses on the highway. That fucking lineup. What the fuck? What the fuck I see? Where you going? Hey, fuck off! I can't see shit. Whoa! Okay. These fucking crazy car people. Get gas off. Look at these fucking people. Just standing around in some parking lot. Whoa! Oh fucking shit.
chest pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga. Translation: master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, down is made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.